Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to tell you about the notice for the fictitious fees for the post of 43 post of public prosecutor in Central Bureau of Investigation, which was notified by the UPSC by advertisement number 04/2021. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The UPSC on 28th of July 2021 has notified for the fictitious fees candidate in respect of recruitment of 43 posts of public prosecutor in CBI, which was advertised wide advertisement number 04/2021. It is written that confirmation has not been received from the bank authorities regarding payment fees of ₹25 for the above mentioned post. Therefore, in accordance with the provision contained in the UPSC advertisement number 04/2021, vacancy number 210-204-04227, published on 27th of February 2021, with closing date submission of online application being 23:59 hours on 18th of March 2021, for the post of 43 post of PP in public prosecutor in CBI. Your application has been rejected. Appeal against the rejection, if any, may be made along with the documentary evidence by speed post or by hand to Under Secretary SPC 2, UPSC, Shahjahan Road, New Delhi 110069. Appeal against such rejection should be received in the Commission Office within 15 days, not later than 13th of August 2021. On receipt of documentary proof of genuine fees payment, your application will be considered for revival. And whose name is there? There is only one person whose name is appearing in this. Application number is 19911925540 and name is Joseph Jerry A. Rest all the candidates who has applied their application fees has been accepted and has been received by the UPSC. For this candidate, it is also mentioned that please submit the bank pay-in slip through which payment has been deposited by you in the SBI if the fees has been paid through cash mode. If you have paid the fees through debit, credit card or through internet banking or authorized SBI, then please send the copy of your debit credit statement or bank account statement as the case may be. On receipt of any representation against above rejection, process for revival of application will be initiated. So this is a notification for the post of 43 post of public prosecutor, and it is only one candidate whose name is mentioned. Rest all candidates, the fees has already been accepted and is approved. So there is, for other candidate there is no worry at all, but for this candidate, that is Joseph Jerry A, he has to submit the proof by 13th of August 2021. So if any queries relating to this video is there, please provide your comment in the comment box. The same will be answered and will be uploaded on this channel in the few days. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.